Hi, I'm Sarah Williamson with LG, and we have had so much fun here today with TD SYNNEX at their InVision event with their customers. Our focus of today, we did a presentation for the customers on our display products, which many are very familiar with, but what they aren't aware of is the breadth of product that is available from LG Electronics through TD SYNNEX. So here at the show, we're showing our brand new 34-inch Ultra Stretch desktop display and one of our Gram laptops. We've got some fantastic promotions running on both, and we've gotten some really great feedback for the fact that we can provide that total solution to customers that have historically come to LG for our displays and now realize that they can outfit the entire solution with more than just those displays. So that's pretty much what we've been talking about today. Having a great time, lots of interest, happy to be here.